So the office is finally nearly complete. So let's do a little office tour. So this is the kitchen that we just literally had fitted. As you can see, with our pop click squish sign. We've got some, so you can make a cup of tea and everything, like all professional and that. And then we've also got a little clocking in machine, so you scan your fingerprint when you come to work. That's what Ellie does, because she's a good little nugget. So, next then, I'll show you our office. This is the coat hanger that we've had to especially hang up for Ellie, because all the coats she leaves here. Our little whiteboard. We've got, just ignore the graffiti, okay? We've got a stock check, we've got all the comfort keychains, although one of them's already fell off and one of them's missing, so you can ignore that. And as you can see, I never sit at my office because, well, my office desk, because my chair's not even here. We've got this amazing notebook, because I love thick notebooks. This is Aaron's desk. Again, he never really sits here, but we've got some cool lights. We've got Aaron's office crocs, because we've all got office crocs. I'm not wearing my office crocs today though.
I got mine on either.
Okay, and then this is Ellie's area. She's got all of our stock for the pre-orders. A little IKEA drawer here. And again, her messy desk, which has always been messy. Can't get her out of it. And then there's her office crocs on the floor as well. And a little TOYZ sign that she made. Then let's go into the storeroom. And this storeroom is literally the size of our entire old office. So we've upgraded massively. This was literally the size of our entire last office. Like, it's actually crazy. So here we've got like loads of deliveries. We've got our little bean bags. This is all the stock. We're running out. As you can see, we don't have any stock right now. So we're trying to create little lines to, you know, walk down eventually. We've got boxes. Got a little printer down here. And we've got all of our packing peanuts inside here. Okay, now this is the more interesting area, okay? Where the blue wall hits, this is where the fun happens. We've got all of our every bags, because we always fill them to the top, so we just dump them on us every time he sees us. And then we've got all of the stock that we do have anyway, as you can tell. They're all pretty much empty. We've got Timmy Senior, we've got Ellie's Merlin, you guys will recognise him. Oh, and then also we've got our retail packaging, guys. How do you like it? Which stores do you want to see it in? And then we've got our big TOYZ sign here, history boxes, which we like to stay organised and pre-make. This is our big packing station. It's grew. We only had one packing station last time. Now we've got 3 packing stations. This is our slime packing station. So sweep here. This is where we do the lives from, actually. We put the phone up here. It's faced across all of here. And then this is the last area of the entire office. It kind of looks like we're having a business meeting at all times, but we're really not. We're just usually running around having fun and dancing and listening to music. But this actually came in the office, and I initially didn't want this because it was too big. But then we were like, hang on a minute, like it's a really good desk for just sitting and chilling at. So Ellie does a customer service here, and then when I come in the morning, I'll just sit here and do my to-do list and do whatever I need to do on the computer. And then Andy sits here and builds all the Timmies for us, basically. These windows are as well. Window is, look at this. I could literally just like jump out the window. I mean, it's not that high, but seriously, this is going to be good when that heat wave hits in a couple of weeks. We've got some bean bags. We've got 3 of these, so we can just sit and eat our lunch on them. But yeah, that's about it really. If you want to see everything we've got in our kitchen cupboard, there you go. That was it basically. Hope you like the new office.